Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Portia with Portia Fit. We are beginning before the sunrise this morning on our day 7 with our meditation practice. Let's close our eyes and bring in the sounds around us. What do you hear? What do you notice? I hear birds, different types of birds chirping away. In the far, far distant background, I hear probably freeway sounds. Okay, that's checking in with our surroundings. Now, what's going on within you today? How are you feeling? What's your check-in like? I woke up very early today, but I don't have anywhere to go immediately, so I was able to just, there's a fly right by my ear buzzing. So I was able to lay in bed, and I have like a skylight or window where I'm able to see the sky, and I was able to stare at the moon. And the moon is still brightly lit over there. So how I feel is I was a little sleepy, but I did wake up before my alarm. And I have a sense of looking forward to doing this practice and getting back to coming back to myself and coming back to my routine. My schedule, my life routine has changed so much. It's always changing. When I'm working with clients, I work with clients, so I'm on their schedule, and I teach group classes, so that's a set schedule. So I'm always piecing in clients with my regular teaching class schedule. So I can feel very much pulled in so many directions. My meditation morning practice is the one that usually gets skipped. Early morning. Sometimes I'll have to push it till 9 a.m. or something like that. But to be able to meditate at the early morning sunrise, this is peace for me. So I'm excited today to make this time and commit to it and stick to it. So I hope that all of you can find some way to set a time for yourself and just stick with it. Start to fit it in your schedule. After this, I'm going to go in my scheduler and I'm going to write it down every single day. What is the time that I'm going to show up? And we'll see how I do, right? We have to just see how we do, and it's okay. We have another day to try again. All right, bringing ourselves back into this moment. Let's be here in stillness together. We will be here for 7 minutes. Sit in stillness, sitting up tall, closing our eyes, and just being, just sitting and being. Invite movement back into your bodies. Remember to try and keep your eyes closed while we bring ourselves back. Let's open our eyes. How do you feel? I feel I don't know, I just feel like smiling. Oh, happy, accomplished. Yeah, yes, accomplished. All right, remember that you can journal your experience every single day after your meditation. Just write down maybe some thoughts or feelings, whatever has come up. You never know what comes up. Every day is different. And there's nothing to focus too hard on. It's just sit down at your mat every morning, write down what comes up, and then move on with your life and let life just do what it does. And you just keep working on your practice, because you'll notice as you keep showing up and keep practicing, you are going to change. You are going to blossom in some way, some unexpected way. So just have an open, curious mind to be surprised every single day. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. Namaste.